Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another tutorial, a nice bright tutorial for you guys. I feel like I've been posting so many tutorials recently. I'm not complaining unless you guys are complaining, I don't know. But yeah, so this is a nice colourful look. It's using like purples, quite like blue tone purples, almost like a royal blue sort of colour. Very pale shimmery peaches, got some sparkly stuffs on, and I've got some dots on my face, and I've got dramatic lashes on my face. I'm happy. I look very dramatic. So yeah, I was quite inspired by like a lotus flower. I've looked up a couple of pictures and found ones that are like those kind of blue and like warmer yellowy peachy sort of shades. So that's pretty much the inspiration for this really, and I thought it was nice and summery and quite fun. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting this look off like every other video that I normally do, and using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prime my eyes right along the lower lash line and all the way up to my brow on my lid. I'm then taking Inglot Eyeshadow in 493, and I'm taking that on a big fluffy brush, and I'm buffing that into the crease, and this is going to be my transition shade for the purples later on. I'm really trying to make sure that that colour is nice and blended out and blended up quite high as well. Next I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 388, and this is a matte royal blue. This is going to be like the star of the eye look. And I'm taking that on a MAC 221 brush, I think it is. It's a skinny blending brush. And I'm applying that into my crease. I'm making sure that's nice and strong in the crease. And I'm also bringing it out into a little bit of a wing shape as well. I'm taking the first lavender shade, the 493 shade, and applying that along my lower lash line using a small little brush. And then on another small brush, I'm taking the royal blue shade and applying that really close to my lashes, about 3/4 of the way across my lower lash line. Making sure that it connects on the outer corner as well, that's really important. I wasn't really sure what to do with the outer half of my lid, so I just decided to bring the royal blue right onto the outer half of my lid. I'm then taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 440, which is a very, very pale shimmery lavender. And I'm packing that right next to the royal blue on my lid and blending where they meet, but still leaving the very inner third of my lid open. Next I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 393, which is a very soft shimmery pearl, and it's like a peach, but it's very, very pale peach. And I'm applying that to the rest of the lid, so on that inner third that we left blank. And I'm also applying that on the inner third of the lower lash line, that part that we left blank as well. And I'm just using a mixture of the purple and the royal blue just to blend where they meet. Next I'm just concealing my under eyes, getting rid of my dark circles and also tidying up my under eye area. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking MAC's eyeshadow in Mylar. This is a satin finish that's a little bit paler than my skin. And I'm just applying that right under my brow and using it to blend out any harsh edges. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking Inglot's Pure Pigment in 115. This is like a pinky nude champagne sort of shade. It's super sparkly, it's so nice. And I'm popping that on the inner corner. For liner, I'm using the Bobbi Brown gel liner in black ink. And I'm using that to line my upper lash line. And I'm doing a decent size wing, nothing too major. Like my normal sized wing that I would normally do. I'm taking the NYX, I forgot to put the clip in, the NYX Vivid Brights liner in, I think this one is Violet. It's the dark purple anyway. And I'm just using that to apply some dots to the inner tear duct area. For mascara, I'm just using the Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And off camera, I just popped on these House of Lashes Noir Fairy Black lashes. Onto the cheeks, I'm going in with the Inglot Cream Blush in 87. And I'm just patting that on my cheeks. For contour, I'm going to use the NYX Blush in Taupe, and I'm using that just to carve out the hollows of my cheeks a little bit. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Inglot Sparkling Dust in 07. And this is, like you can see by my face, it's so shiny, it's so nice. For my lips, I decided, I had a bit of a, I had an idea in mind, but I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and I didn't really like how it came out the first time, so I decided to go with MAC's lip pencil in Stone, which is my fave, and I'm using that to line my lips. And I opted out for lipstick, so I just went in with the Buxom lip gloss in White Russian, which is just a nude, and I just popped that over top and made sure that they blend into each other. And that's your finished look. Alrighty guys, so that is your finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. I have been filming a lot of videos because I am going away to Portugal in May, like the middle of May for like 9 days. So I'm trying to like get things ready before I go, and then I'll just be able to have things scheduled for while I'm away, so I'm not missing anything and I'm not overloaded with things to be doing when I get back, so, or before I go as well. So we're doing it slowly, but we're getting there. We've got a lot to do. Yeah, so this is your finished look. If you did like it, give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and leave me a comment, let me know what you think about it as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye.